So this is the frame.
That's the frame. All of that's the frame. Apart from this is the transom. That
Yep.
goes with the boat.
Okay. So the other bits of frame are going to go on
This
here.
goes with the boat. Yeah.
Okay.
Those frames there, which are drying, they go upside
Over
down
the
on here.
top and down, yeah.
3 of them, they go with the boat.
Yeah.
The sole board and garboard rest on top of them. There's another piece which bolts onto here, which stays with the boat. Then will come onto the stem there,
Yeah.
joint stem there, which is again being worked on.
Yeah.
And these are the woods we're going to use.
So this is the sole, garboards,
Yeah,
and carry on.
and there is a piece to go on top of there, and there.
Yeah.
When they're finished being dressed and varnished.
Yeah.
Alec, never mind about that, look, he holds